Hi, it's Tara from Jula Design Studio, and I'm going to answer a question today. Some people don't get the email from Etsy when they purchase their digital files, and I just want to show you where you can get it at any point. So you log into your Etsy shop, and you're going to click on your account at the top right here. You're going to see your photo, or if you haven't put a photo in, you will see this your account area. You click on the button, and you will see purchases and reviews. Click on that. Once you're here, you're going to go through and find all of your purchases, and you're going to download files. You're going to click the download files link. From here, you can download any of the individual files. Most of the files you purchase from people are .zip extension. You will need to unzip these files before you can use them in whatever software you're going to use it. If you don't know how to do that, Google is your friend. Google search, how do I unzip a zip file on my Windows machine, or how do I unzip a zip file on my Mac. One quick thing to note is that Etsy app on your phone does not have the download option, so you're going to have to do it through a browser on your phone or tablet, or else do it on your PC. Hope this helps.